why imposing equality backfires. Suppose a class teacher decides to do away with all inequality in the students' grades. They decide to make an average of the marks of all the students and assign that average score to every student. Will that lead to a good score for everyone? No. Why not? Because no one will feel sufficiently motivated. Even the bright students who could get high scores will think, even if I work hard and do well, still I'm only going to get an average score. So why should I work hard? And the poor students will think, even if I don't study, still I'll get average marks, which are better than what I will get by studying. Then why should I study? Thus, everyone's performance will decline, not only in terms of how many marks they get, but also in terms of how much they learn, because nobody will study. This, what we consider as a thought experiment in the classroom, has been applied to national economies with disastrous results. When redistribution of wealth to create equality was attempted by the communist countries, everyone ended up with scarcity. Why is that? Because wealth doesn't exist ready-made, just waiting to be redistributed more fairly. Wealth has to be generated by human effort and ingenuity. Even when wealth comes directly from agriculture, that too requires hard work. If humans are not inspired to put in that effort, then wealth isn't generated and no one has enough. This lesson from history is that we are all individuals and we need to take up responsibility to overcome our lethargy and apathy and work hard. The Bhagavad Gita phrases this dynamic metaphorically. We all have to go through poison before we can get to nectar. Put alternatively, we all need to endure hard work before we can get abundance. But when equality is imposed, that takes away the motivation for everyone to work hard, and thus everyone ends up with scarcity. For humanity to have prosperity, imposing individuality never works. Inspiring individual responsibility and industriousness is what works. So to summarize, imposing equality leads not to plenty for everyone, but to scarcity for everyone.